Hey, my name's Florian. I'm the CEO and founder of Soundpreneur, and I'm one of the 92 Express mentors.
Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Welcome to our hardware manufacturing tutorial. Today we are so excited to have Florian from Soundpreneur to share his tips on building a hardware product. Hi Florian, so when I've got an idea, I want to build a product, what should be my first step?
Yeah, so when you have an idea for a product and to start a new company, actually one of the hardest things is to figure out what to do first, because there are literally 5,000 things you could be doing, and you're only one or two or maybe three people, so you can do 5 of those 5,000 things. And the number one important thing is actually to find product market fit and validate that your idea has potential. So how do you do that? First, you need to build a prototype, like a physical prototype. You take the soldering iron and you build it, and then you actually go to users that would be your customers at the end of the day, and you let them try it out and see what they think. It will be a very rough experience because obviously it's a prototype, but if you really get to the core of it, you can get very valuable feedback and then start iterating, build better and newer prototypes and take it from there. Yeah.
So when I'm building my first prototype, what should be aware of?
Yeah, I think the biggest thing, of course, is you actually need a technical founder in the team, which I think is very important, who can help you to build the prototypes. So in my case, I have a marketing background and a design background, so I don't really wouldn't have been able to do it without my co-founder. So I recommend to have that in place and then build the prototypes, talk to users, iterate, and maybe as a little bonus, something I've heard from other founders that are A-level, really good, they actually started building prototypes and sold them. So that's an even next level validation, right? Because if you can sell like this handmade prototype for $200, $300, means you are really serving a need. And once you have a final product, it can be a huge success. So those would be my top things to get started.
Thank you, Florian. If you want to learn more about our manufacturing tutorial or want to join our live session to meet more our hardware mentor, click the link at profile. If you find the video useful, comment, like, and share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.